Good afternoon, little Instagram friends. Guess what we're making today? Can you guess? Wonton soup or Shanghai Wontons. You know why? It is raining and snowing and sleeting and you name it, it's nasty out. These are wonton wrappers. This is just a little bit of water. Oh, 很好吃. This is a little bit of pork, half finely chopped up prawns or shrimp. You can use some Chinese water spinach, some ginger, some garlic, some sesame oil, some white pepper, did I say soy sauce? Sesame oil, and whatever else you like. So anyways, what you want to do here is you take this either in your hand or put it on a cutting board if it makes you feel more comfortable. Take a little bit of water and run your finger. You don't need egg, just water will do. Okay, put it around all the sides just like that. And you're going to want to put a little dollop. I am actually using a little coffee spoon at the moment because I don't want to get too much, but you can use chopsticks or whatever you feel comfortable using. And you put that in the middle. And then you take it and you fold it in half. Now this is the important part. You see, this is where the meat is in the fish, and you want to take your fingers and get all the air out all the way around the sides like that, and then press it outwards. Can you guys see that? Sorry, my light's getting all weird. Like I said before, we got rain, sleet, snow. Yay for us. So anyways, that is really important. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is just get your fingers wet again, and I like to do it a little bit on both sides, and then take your wonton, your wonton, and fold it like this, and then take your finger, now my dog's going to start barking, and press. See how it's not like working right now? And I can tell you exactly why that's not sticking, is because I have not had. You have to get a wet towel and make sure you keep it covered. So let's do it again here. So anyways, you grab your little wonton cover. Once again, get it wet around like that. Yeah, that would be my dog. It's like real. Keep it real. This is life, right? Then you put your little bit of buddy, knock it off. Put that in the center. And then you fold it. Now my dear friend Lin Li from Shanghai, China showed me how to do this. And the most important part is afterwards. The broth in each area, is a very different, like Hong Kong has a very different, broth, and they usually use noodles and they use pork, right? It looks like a little nun cap, or maybe if you were a nursing student like we were, those really old-fashioned little nursing caps. Yeah, let's keep doing a couple more so you guys get the idea. Anyways, when you boil these noodles, the most important thing is you don't want to boil them too much and then have them pop open, right? So the trick behind that, what Lynn showed us, is that you have to bring the water temperature down 3 times by adding a little bit of cool water to your boiling water, so the boiling process kind of stops, right? And the broth flavoring, like I said, can be really different. Some places like to use chicken broth. Some, like in Hong Kong, they usually do like a pork-based broth and maybe even a little seafood in there as well, and herbs. But actually, Lynn's recipe is really simple because she just uses actually just the pasta broth and a little like sesame oil and a little bit of salt actually to season it, and some green onions, right? So you can do whatever you like with that. Yep. He wants to play. Well, actually, he wants it one time. We have pictures of him trying to get up on the table. We have to put him in solitary confinement. Okay, one last one. Buddy, shh. Quiet. Everyone's going to love you so much. Okay, so fold again in half. Get your little dumpling sealed Sealed. Quiet. It's like having a toddler. You guys understand, right? Okay. So these little cute guys, I don't know if you can see them here. Here, I'll move it over so you guys can see. So those are going to go in a soup. And that dog is going to go into penitentiary. All right. You guys have a super day. Take care.